Oh, I am a model style influencer, and I also run a model styling agency. And I have a couple of things I do as well. Ramadan is the most sacred month in the year, and it brings me closer to my Almighty, the closeness in my family and among my friends and the community. Ramadan is so special to me because it's because of the reward, the blessings, and the month generally. Like, I feel so good when it's Ramadan. Like, I don't know why I'm always so excited. Ramadan. So basically, that's it. Oh, most times what I do during Ramadan is I make sure I stop working so I can concentrate. I can concentrate on my Ramadan, the reward, and the whole thing I do during Ramadan. It's, it can be so exhausting. So I make sure I ignore my work during Ramadan. I think there's prayer. I make sure I pray at the right time during Ramadan. And aside that, I make sure I do a lot of sadaqah during Ramadan and, give my neighbors food and all. So those two things. The last 10 days, I feel so good because my dad and my brother will be gone for itikaf, so it's just be the females in the house, and it's always so fun. And aside that, I pray a lot. I pray a lot during the last 10 days of Ramadan, trying to communicate with my God. Eid celebration. Eid celebration is always so special because my distant families are going to come around for Eid, like my cousins, my uncles. I'm going to be seeing everybody, and my house will be a full house, and there'll be a lot of food, lot of meat, and it's just a good one, like so fun.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I'm Jamila Lawal. Welcome to another episode of Maggie Diaries. Today I'll be making a very interesting dish, and it's a simple one. And I know you can't wait to hear all about it, but we'll be right back. Today I'll be making a very simple dish. It's a potato dish because potatoes are regular in every home in Ramadan. You like always, potatoes during Ramadan?
Always.
Okay. So what I'm doing differently, it's grilled potatoes with chicken and veggies. So very simple ingredients, like your everyday ingredients, and we're gonna make this into a dish which is great for iftar. And if you have leftovers, you can use it for sahur too. So let me get the potato peeler so you can just go ahead and do this. Okay. So here you are, Asma. So you can help me I'm peel officially
my potato.
Her potato peeler.
All right.
Let me let you do a little bit of hard work. Okay. All right then. So I'm just gonna add this.
Can I move this?
Yeah. Thank you, Asma. Okay. You're welcome. So some of this in the pots. And then I'm gonna add some curry.
I'm not crying again, yay!
And if onions, make you cry, or if the onion is really hot, there's one thing that you can do is to chill them first in the refrigerator, and then I don't know, it kind of helps it to not release this whatever that is in it that makes people cry. So
albasa sai saka a fridge dan zan yanka. Ai me ta kukan? Ba damuwa.
It doesn't stop it sometimes. So yeah, this is good.
Okay.
All right, so now I'm gonna come back in here. Just cut my chicken breast into cubes so that way it cooks faster. Okay. And then you just want to start this by cutting it up in strips first, so that way it's easier. Oh, I think my potatoes should be about done. This is ready, so I'm just going to drain this.
That was one of the most fantastic Tarawih I went for. Before we started, the Imam gave us that beautiful sermon. Like, it's very important. Well, it was about giving during Ramadan, right?
Giving during Ramadan. All right, so just going to put my chicken chunks in this bowl. Do you need some help with that?
No, I'm fine. It's just a bit tough.
All right, then.
I'm okay.
All right, so ginger garlic is done. Just going to add a little bit here. Asma, can you pass me 2 Maggi star cubes there?
Sure thing.
So we're just going to
ever ready to pass the Maggi since you told me it's a secret ingredient.
It's my secret ingredient, you know. Just take the paper off and then we'll crumble this in. Okay. And it's really nice because the Maggi also, you know, adds some color to your chicken when you stir fry it. It has this brown, rich color that you get when you stir fry it. So I'm just going to quickly mix this all in. Okay, well, this is good. All right then.
I love cleaning.
Oh, thank you. At least I won't come back and be thinking about cleaning.
It's easier when you do it. Yes. You do it while you're still working.
Yes, and especially during Ramadan.
Let it pile up. Yes, true.
Once you're done with iftar, and then you begin to think about, oh my God, I have to clean up. You know. And you get lazy, but it's better to actually just do your cleanup once and for all before you go to bed, so that when you wake up to, you know, for sahur, you come to a clean kitchen.
Yes.
Good. So this is time. So I'm gonna get a yaji, and then we'll have Maggi cubes. Just pass the Maggi cubes closer to you. Okay.
How many cubes?
So we can do one cube is fine. Okay. And then we'll just crumble that in, and then a little bit of yaji.
Do you notice something? I get to peel the Maggi cube twice today.
Yeah, it's a special ingredient, so just do it, Asma.
Okay,
right, so just sprinkle
what
this
else?
Okay. And then just very little bit of oil. So, you know, I love this potato dish, Asma, because we're not deep frying, you know, which is like the regular thing that happens in most homes. Yeah. And I like the crunch that, you know, when you grill your potatoes, there's this crunch that it gives your potatoes, and, you know, and then all the flavors are there. So let me just put a little bit of oil in my pan, and then we can begin to pan grill our potatoes. Yes.
Good.
So I'm just going to hit my pan so that we can begin to pan grill our potatoes. So I'm always like helping my friends to turn on their ovens. I'm like, there's nothing in it. Just try it. You know, sometimes you have to be adventurous. So your oven is there. You can use it to grill. You can use it to bake. You know, so this is hot right now. So what you want to do is to ensure that you have it in an even layer, so you don't have them, you know, on top of each other. So we'll just put this. And it smells so good already.
Yes, already. The yaji. So of course the Maggi star, everything.
And you're getting the Maggi. And then, so we'll flip it onto the other side, and then you, the crispiness on the downside. Anyway, you're gonna see that. So these potatoes are almost, Asma, you want carrots and for?
I forgot the carrots.
So let me just peel and shake it and.
Okay, make it chopping.
Yeah, keep it chopping, but not small chunks. I want them, you know, like large chunks. Yes.
Same size.
All right, this looks so beautiful. Can you see the color? And it smells so good.
Yes.
Like your neighbors will be wondering, what's up for iftar today?
Plantain style, Camila.
It's okay. I like to see my veggies in chunks. This is good now. Okay. Just gonna put this in this bowl.
Let me clean up.
Thank you, Asma. Thank you. So,
kitchen.
So say I'm always glad when Asma comes into my kitchen.
Always. I clean up.
All right, so
I help you chop.
I'm going to be using the same pan for my chicken. So turn on the heat.
Okay.
So my chicken has been marinating. Now just a little bit of oil in my pan. Okay. And then. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. And chicken, you know, chicken breast cooks really fast.
Yes.
So some of those quick meals that you want to do for
especially when you marinate, right?
Marinating helps, you know, and Maggi is a great ingredient to use for marinade. I think it's time we added our onions. So Asma,
What do you want?
Yeah, just some onions.
Okay. Just tell me what to do. Onions first.
Onions first.
This is fun.
Yes.
What
Cooking
else?
is fun. So we'll wait because the carrots will be going in next. Okay. Now to my carrots.
All right.
Okay. Look at the colors. And your carrots are so great for you because they contain a lot of fiber, so it helps with digestion, which is a problem people complain a lot about in Ramadan. So the fiber really helps to, make your food digest faster. Okay, Asma, before this, just pass the atarugu for me. Let's just scotch bonnet pepper. We just need very little bit. It's Ramadan, so you don't want your food so hot or spicy. So this is just good. Done. My carrots are ready. You still want to have that crunch when you're chewing on it. So add them. Just add them. The red and then the green and then just choose anyone. Asma, put it all in.
I'll do a little bit of green, yellow. What is arch,
Yes, it is art. All right, so this looks so good. We're almost ready. When we come back, we'll be ready to plate. Alright guys, so my food is ready and plated. Look at my grilled potatoes with chicken asma. It's
Jamila,
so lovely.
Jamila.
Na'am.
I like you very much.
To chicken and surut. Alright,
so lovely. We sign out. Just wait first.
Alright. Let me hear what you've got to say. MashaAllah, I don't say anything. My mouth is watering already, so let me just go in. Okay, another one.
I had the potato. I have to add the chicken.
So you get up. Bismillah. This is so good. This is so good. You guys have got to try this at home. Alright, so Jazakallah khair for watching. It's been so amazing with Asma in the kitchen. Remember to join us tomorrow, inshallah, for another interesting episode of Maggie Diaries. Don't forget to follow us on our social media pages at Maggie_Nigeria on Instagram and at Maggie Nigeria on Facebook. Assalamu alaikum.